Hello, my dental hygiene enthusiasts. Today, I have an exciting new product for you guys. It is the Nbgrlvs Water Dental Flosser. It's an irrigated cordless teeth pick cleaning system. Say goodbye to traditional flossing methods and say hello to a new level of oral care. Let's explore really quickly and check out this innovative new device that I was sent. It's awesome, guys, so let's go. So this is the size of the actual device in my hand. On the top and the sides, they have the buttons to control it. The speed is also there. They have a case full of different oral nozzles for different types of speed that you want to clean your gums with. And it also comes with a mini brush, guys, that you can really get in between your teeth with. And here's the tongue cleaner. I love this product so much. It also comes with a plug that you can charge it, but before that, you have to read the directions, guys, to know how to use this thing because it's very innovative. So make sure to get you one. Let them know that Alicia Handles it sent you, and I will leave the code in the description box. Listen to how powerful that this is, guys. It will definitely get the job done. So I hope I inspired you to get yourself one of these by Nbgrlvs.